What is going on? It's Anthony B. Johnson, Southern California real estate agent. Hey, I am glad you're here because today we are in Altadena where something incredible is going on. After one of the most devastating wildfires in California's history, this community is beginning to rebuild. So we're going to take a look at the progress that's been being made, talk about some of the changes, and actually get a chance to hear from one of the builders that's actually supporting the effort to shape Altadena's new chapter. I'm Anthony B. Johnson, and I am here with
Arash from Tenaya.
Arash from Tenaya Construction. So, we came out to see this project. I actually had no idea how bad the destruction was here in Altadena. So, I'm here. I got a few questions for you, brother.
Let's hit it.
Yeah. So let me pull out the question book. Oh, first off, can you tell us a little bit about Tenaya Construction?
Yeah, here at Tenaya, we're a ground up builder. We do new construction builds only. We do them all over Southern California. We've got quite a few of the projects here in the Eaton fire affected area, as well as the Palisades area. Rebuilding some of these, homes that got affected by the fire, trying to get the clients back in their homes.
This is complete. Yeah, I did a span. I went through here to film some property. It's whole blocks that are gone.
Oh, the whole, yeah. For the 21st century, it's a crazy, crazy thing. But they're an amazing community. I'll say that. I mean, the way these guys come together, they're so nice. They're all helping each other out.
That's great.
Yeah, it's definitely a beautiful community.
So I got a question. So how did you get involved with rebuilding Altadena?
Yeah, definitely. We had a client that we knew down on another street over there. I think you checked it out this morning. Yeah. They chose us to build it. Timeline was pretty good. Yeah. We got a lot of compliments on that. Yeah, we were in and out of there in 4 months. It's a beautiful home over there. So we got more people asking. This house we started framing about a week and a half ago too. We're about fully framed in.
So how much longer you guys have on this?
We'll probably be in here for another, I'd say 4 months.
About another 4 months?
Yeah, another 4 months.
I thought is that going to be an ADU in the back? Or
it's a standalone garage.
Okay, standalone garage.
It's a detached garage right there. Driveway on the side. This would be a cool house. This was actually, it was very sad. This house was built back in 2019, this exact house.
Okay.
So this was a brand new house.
Brand new home, yeah.
Like a lot of the other neighborhoods, they were older homes. This one was one of the newest built homes.
What motivated you to get into building?
Oh man, I mean,
look, give me 30 seconds. Give me 60 seconds. I know I know we can go in depth about it.
Yeah.
But,
I think it's everything that everyone hated. I loved the stress, the pressure, 30 different things at a time, juggling all that. I don't know, makes you feel alive, On days when I'm off, I go a little bit crazy, right? I run a little bit in higher speed.
Yeah.
So having all this stuff, I'm like,
yeah, me too. It's kind of okay, yeah. Click on that level for sure.
It's all the aspects that make it a bit chaotic, make it entertaining for me. And then the biggest thing is just solving problems, and that's all we do all day.
Problem solving, yeah.
That's all it is. That's all construction is. I'll tell anybody that it's a stressful process. A million things go wrong, but you just got to work through them. Keeps me alive.
Yeah. So, what was it like when you first came over here? Because y'all finished that project over there. What was it like when you first saw it? Because I know you probably seen it in the news first, and then you were once you got the job over here, how was that feeling?
Oh, yeah. When we first showed up here, there was not nearly this much construction.
Yeah.
It was, right now it's looking good out here, quite frankly. There's a lot of rebuilding going on, a lot of action. But yeah, definitely when we first started out, there's a lot of stuff up in the air, The county was still figuring a few things out. Something as simple as getting power, temporary power, all that infrastructure is gone.
Yeah, everything was gone.
Everything's gone. So, just even getting that stuff situated, a little bit more complicated.
What I mentioned earlier, that was a little funny looking to me is that the whole block is level, but then there are spot houses that are on the block that were not touched at all. Were they just lucky?
I don't know. It's crazy how this works out.
They have a force field around their house.
I'm telling you, every time I show up, it's always I'm always in awe.
What's the biggest challenge you're facing when building these types of homes?
Yeah, it definitely was a bit of the unknowns at the beginning. You don't know, a lot of the infrastructure stuff.
Oh, because electricity.
Edison, they're going underground now. They didn't, when you were earlier, they didn't know any of that stuff, right? SoCal Gas cut off a lot of the lines in the street.
Yeah.
A lot of the infrastructure was just gone. So starting over from scratch.
Okay.
That was a little bit harder. There's a lot more than a regular build you have to figure out. So what we do have here in the community, honestly, is all the other builders. It's not a competition. Everyone helps each other out.
It seems like that though. It's kind of how it seems like everybody's kind of just working to rebuild.
We all do, yeah. We borrow people's equipment, they borrow us. We sent the mini out to someone else, the mini excavator the other day. We're all doing the same thing. We're all rebuilding houses. They help us out. We help them out. No, it's a lot of these other builders. We've actually become great friends.
I think it's gonna look beautiful, dude. After it's
It
completed.
is. There's some stunning homes coming in.
Yeah.
This will definitely be a beautiful home. It's gonna be 2,000 square feet.
I'm already knowing your quality of work,
I know.
brother. So
This will be.
is rebuilding a burned home more difficult than rebuilding from an empty lot?
You know, rebuilding from an empty lot, if it's infill, you know, there's houses all around you, it's easier because a lot of that infrastructure is there.
Yeah.
You're just one person going in and out, you know, you go to the city, you get what you need. Here, it's a bit more hectic, right? There's a whole community that needs to be rebuilt. But again, I'll bring it back to the aspect of being here with everyone else rebuilding.
It's making it a lot easier, huh?
It's nice. We all work together. We all help each other out. So that's something I've never experienced before.
Yeah.
Because usually I'm building, you know, a few houses here, a few houses there in a developed community.
No, you guys are rebuilding this entire city.
Yeah, it's, I mean, yeah.
What do you got? You have 4 projects going on over here?
Right now, yeah, we have a few more in the pipeline coming up. Just got permits approved for another house.
Nice, man.
We're chugging along, yeah.
How does it feel? How does it feel working with the family that lost? Because somebody lost this property, right? So
Yeah.
this isn't like an investor type of like somebody actually lost this property. Like, what's the difference between working with an investor who's like, hey, dude, build this, I want to return, and a family who's actually lost the property?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a lot more gratifying. If people aren't looking at it as a dollar sign, you're getting people, I mean, you can never imagine losing your home. It's not just your home, it's everything that's involved in there. All your memories, your safe space, everything is gone.
I can imagine, man.
And you know, that's why a bit of the reason why we're like, you know, we're going full force. We're, you know, every day we cut down is a day quicker that somebody else can get in their house.
Yeah.
Obviously, there's some stuff we could never cut down, like curing times for drywall, you know, stucco, stuff like that. But when we can, yeah, we'll work around the clock.
You know, I wrote down some questions so I can stay on track. I mean, you know, we just kick it normally, but, you know, I want to, from the permits to completion, what does rebuilding typically look like? This is a little bit more of a hostile situation, but typically, what does it look like?
Yeah, you know, I think the biggest thing is we do design build, so we'll do the design in-house too, and then we'll get that submitted. I think this one took us about 3 months to get permitted.
Okay.
This was a like-for-like build, so it's easier. A lot of it's just staying on top of it, you know?
Yeah.
Like our design team, we get our corrections. They're resubmitting within like 2-3 days.
That's cool. Okay.
So again,
is it easier to get permits here now?
the city's being very, the county's being very, very supportive.
Okay.
They're helping out. They've got a lot of outsourced staff to help out with the sheer volume. But yeah, it's kind of something everyone's figuring out together as we go.
Okay. What's one mistake homeowners should avoid after like, I mean, obviously you can't plan something like this, but what's one mistake a homeowner should avoid after like a fire or a disaster like this?
Oh, you know, I think it comes down to honestly choosing the right contractor.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people saying, and again, I'm not saying this towards myself at all, but there's a lot of people saying that, like, you know, they do this, they build new homes. You got to check that. Make sure they've built new construction before.
Yeah.
Make sure they're doing this day in, day out. That's what will make or break the project. People have only done remodels or commercial, something like that. It's a whole different process doing this, right?
Yeah.
And people ask me, how do I get in and out so fast? I mean, the main reason is this is all I do.
Yeah.
Right? This is the product we build. It's a new construction home in Southern California. So everything is set up for that.
Yeah.
So that's what I always tell people, you know, it's regardless of who you go with a new construction builder.
All right, man. Yeah, man, we're getting through it. I mean, I'm looking around, man. This place looks
Not too bad.
Looks like it's coming together.
It is not bad for a few weeks, huh?
For a few weeks. Okay, let's see. So what do you feel like it's gonna take for Altadena to like really feel whole again? Because this is I feel like a hurricane or tornado came through here.
Oh, I mean, it was, right? It was just a crazy, crazy fire. To get it to rebuild, honestly, I think they're doing great.
You think do it? Yeah.
I think this community is,
based off of what I'm seeing, I feel like
the way they're going about it, the people, it's truly a unique community, honestly. Being here has definitely made me love this place a lot.
Actually, when I was riding through and I seen how everybody was kind of, because I got that vibe, I'm like, dang, these people out here, they're rebuilding this place. So it's like, it's not like just sitting here blight.
They're rebuilding, they're supporting, they've got community group messages, they're supporting each other. You know, they're really a strong community.
What would you say to families that are still kind of in limbo waiting to rebuild?
Yeah, you know, a lot of people are waiting, depending on the insurance, a little bit stressed out. You know, I think the biggest thing I'll say is if you're gonna do it once, do what you want. Don't try to, you know, cut time and, you know, maybe not the exact plan you want, this stuff, that stuff. Do your research, make sure you're building the house that you want.
Have you heard of any stories that have kind of stuck with you?
Some contractors just not doing right by owners.
Well, you got good people and bad people everywhere, you know?
They do, but there's no reason to go and, you know, try to be a vulture. I mean, people aren't building a house because they want to here. It was a tragic loss.
Yeah. So why take advantage? Why try and take advantage of that loss?
Right? I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, there's a right way and wrong way to do business, and that's just what makes me sad. People like give the industry a bad name because there's a lot of great people building out here.
Absolutely.
Like, we've become great friends with a lot of these people.
I mean, as a realtor too, man. Like even on my side, dude. Like you're gonna have your bad apples, right? But those are the bad apples.
I know, and it's man, it's just the humanity. People have been through so much.
Yeah, it is. I guess it is a little bit different. Like to prey on somebody who just lost their home is like next level.
Or you know what? Like, it's my thing. If you're taking on a project to build someone a home, like you owe them your 100% focus and dedication to get that back in there.
Yeah, and like you said earlier, like this isn't like investors. This is families that have lost it. There's an added layer of just compassion that you have to have. Come in here and not.
I mean, we're running around the clock, right? And that's kind of what it is, right? It's like you see the family, you see the kids, you're like, oh man, like if I get this stuff delivered like a little bit earlier, if I like push for this, like it's like, oh man, they get to get back in this house earlier. They could be in for Christmas. Let's just help get some people back in their homes.
Man, well, I appreciate you for having me out here today.
Thanks for coming out here today.
I'm gonna be documenting. I want to, if you don't mind, I'd like to document like the different phases.
Oh yeah, of course.
Of this. Right now, what phase are we in right now?
We just finished up framing. We're not fully done with it, so we have our pickup framing that we'll do at the end.
Okay.
But yeah, we're getting ready for our rough trades. I don't know. I think even some educational stuff for people would be great here.
Yeah.
There's definitely people have questions. What's going on? What's happening with the build? What to check for?
While we're at it, I mean, we're here. Well, what should you check for? During the, might as well ask you. Well, In terms of like because in this stage, because if I'm rebuilding my property, I have zero idea what I'm looking at. That's the truth.
Okay, that is the thing, and that's why it's such a rough thing. There's like 1,000 aspects that go into every house. That's why I say choosing the right builder is the biggest thing. Someone who you actually have trust in.
Yeah, you have to trust
someone who you trust their work also. You've seen their work, you trust it. Because a lot of stuff you won't ever see, right?
Yeah.
But it's really up to that bond between you two.
Yeah.
And choosing the right contract that they're gonna do right by you, right?
Yeah, you have.
Like I do stuff that costs me a little bit more here and there, right? Like we're standing on floors that aren't nailed in.
Yeah.
They're Simpson screwed in. It costs us like, I don't know, $600-700 extra to do that. But in 10 years, this floor is not gonna squeak.
The subfloor won't squeak. Yeah, they don't have any issues.
Nobody knows that I do this, but it's just little stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like this is the one thing we're standing on right now that I'm talking about. But it's just significantly nicer house, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you feel these guys, right? These guys are.
Again, that's the thing. Like if it's me coming in, I don't have the knowledge, right?
I don't blame
this,
exactly.
You know what I mean? So like you said,
like 5 years down the line, it's gonna be squeaking and you're wondering why.
Yeah,
it's gonna be nails,
Nails.
But a lot of that comes down to who you choose.
Yeah.
And having a good relationship with them, right?
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, our biggest thing is like making sure the clients that we have, we all work together. It's not client versus us. It's just us two working together.
Absolutely.
Let's make the best house possible, and we work together.
So can we? I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, you're good.
Can you take us through a tour through this wooden house? All right, so we are outside of the project right here. Arash is gonna give us a quick walkthrough of the property so we can kind of see where the bedrooms are and pretty much the layout. So
let's check it out.
Without further ado,
this is gonna be the front porch. Gonna be kind of a nice area for the owners. Hang out, see the nice mountain views back there. You're gonna walk in, double doors for entrance. That's gonna be kind of the living room on the left side, TV room here, and then a large kitchen with a smaller little dining area right here. Gonna do full built-in pantries there, sink right above that window, and then we're gonna have a larger, island for entertaining in the middle. We're gonna run down the hallways. We've got one bedroom down here, very nice sized bedrooms, with a little walk-in closet. We've got a shared bathroom and shower over here, full bath on the right side, and then we have bedroom number 2 with an ensuite bathroom. Then we're gonna hop in here. This is the master bedroom. Has back patio access to go to the patio, hang out. Got the master bathroom right there. Granted, it all looks like, you know, just 2x4s and 2x6s right now. Got the back patio over here. Then we got a hallway that wraps around. The back laundry room. Right here. Mud room. And then back out again to the backyard with the detached garage.
Nice. All right, so we'll do a closeout. And then I'm gonna do
Closeout. Jerry's gonna pick up Juan Daniel over there. They're gonna do a chicken fight for then.
All right, cool. So we're doing the front. Let's do. All right, so I appreciate you for having me out.
Thank you, my man.
Yeah, I can't wait to
Nice seeing you.
Yeah, to come by and check out the next phase.
Yeah. Come by any of our projects. This one will be moving along pretty fast. Don't want to miss out.
No, definitely not. All right,
Okay,
cool.
come by.